To hard reset any Gionee device, the first thing you have to do is to power off the device. Wait for the device to completely turns off. When it completely turns off, the next thing you have to do is to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Release the two keys when you see the recovery menu. So this is the recovery menu. The next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to take you to wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your power key because it serves as your select button. The next page, it will ask you to continue to add resets, yes or no. Click on yes and the device will start to add resets. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let us take after watching this interesting video.